Hello, this video is to show you the 3D printing process with the MakerPi 2030X ColorMix printer from Songgong. Here you see a broken plastic part, like a typical household parts made from plastic. We want to redesign it. It's a window cover for the metal part on the window, and yeah, it's broken, so we need to redesign it. We use the CAD software. Just use your CAD software of choice. Must be a 3D CAD software with the export function to STL format. For experienced users, this design can be very quick. If you're unexperienced, of course, it needs more time. After you design, you need to export the STL file to your printer software, as you see here. Here you see the Cura printer software. Here you see also the support material. It's the blue color. The yellow color is the part. And also you can see the finished part, how it looks like in the printer software. So you have already seen the result. For the print we use MakerPi 2030X ColorMix printer. It's a very solid printer made of metal, so all parts are steel. You see the steel rods, 2 rods for each axis. Is very stable, very precise. So now you can see how the printer put layer on layer to the platform, so the model will gain on height. This of course needs a certain time for each layer depending on the size of the model. For this part which we print, we needed in total, let's say around about 3 hours. You also can see very clearly the support material, which are the white bars in the what I wanted him to print. He has exactly the right dimensions, and the part is solid on my window. I replaced it, looks beautiful, and I'm happy. Thank you.